Okay. Here 30 seconds. And with this beauty, we are going to apply the crystal designs on. I'm going to start with the condensed glue gels and no web top coat, and finish with precision glue gel. So if you're having a really hard time with the crystal that you will love crystal and then designs, and your is crystal, your charm and the chains is gonna stay in like a day or two and it's really easy to come off or is falling off, is this crystal trifecta will back you up every single time. So I'm gonna using the first step first, using condensed glue gels. Applies is good layer, not too thick, not too thin. This looks really good background. You can add really dramatics on, or you can just like do it really simple. Just really depend on how you like. And I'm gonna using the Ultimate Crystal Kits is perfect combinations. Following this on the top. Can I get the perfect crystal kits? It looks really good. You can, here's as an option, you can do the crystal along with this, or you can do it the crystal right in the center, however you would like. Let me get that. This will get this super cute. I love this one. I'm gonna go ahead and skip you the cute around the cuticle area. Move that one just a little bit down so you can see how's everyone doing today. I'm so excited. So excited. And this Ultimate Crystal Kits is so the bomb because it has everything, like 20 different colors. I'm having fun right now. You will never go wrong with this because it's not only have the colors and the crystal size from SS3 to all the way to SS20. So you will have is like plenty of a crystal to work with. So you can see that I'm alternate like the beautiful, like have a yellow banana, and I'm just like alternated with the like kind of amethyst stuff. I can't like kind of, can I see it? Move it down here. There you go. Now I can see it better. Can everyone see it? Or too bright?
No, that's good. Much better.
Much better? All right, I have this so adorable. I'm gonna use this. But as I say, it's really, it's up to you. You like it, you can add it on. But if you want to just doing the 3D 3 flowers, like I mean the transfer foils, absolutely. You can add some crystal, some beads on. I'm gonna add a couple of this one right there to the center. Hope everyone have a fabulous day. Add some crystal and I'm gonna add some beads on. So now you should wonder if you are doing this for the clients and how much should you price it for your clients. So if you are doing this nails and then the clients would love to have the chamfer foil and then crystal placement. So for instance, if the crystal placement, if it chamfer foil is one techniques will be approximate about $5 to $6, and then your crystal placement will be about between $8 to $10. So it's about like between of the $16 to the $18. And also depend on your salon location, techniques, products you're using. You can add more on if you want, okay? I'm gonna add a couple beads right here. You know what? You can add the beads on along with the nails if you want to, like all along with this, to make it looks like completely finished. Or you can go without the beads. This really is your preference, what you prefer. I'm going to continue to add the bead between. You can do it in owl, like inner, like which is inside or outside. Alright, I think I'm good. You can add frame on everything. It looks cool now. It looks really like cool and busy, I have to say that. But I'm loving it.